Uh-oh, where's the little bee? Amazing!
Whoa, and it looks like it's getting pinker and pinker. That's Good morning. It's Saturday, October 25th. We are at the Y for swimming lessons, and my mom's gonna be coming over after we leave here. So I'm probably gonna run some errands while she's at the house. I'm not gonna film her or my niece, but I'll probably take y'all along for me to run errands. I have a couple birthday gifts to get for my mini nieces and nephews. My brother and sisters have blessed me with, how many nieces? I have 5 from my sister and 3 from my brother. So I'm gonna be doing that. I have 2 boy birthday gifts and 1 girl birthday gift to get. And then I'm gonna try to see if I can stop by the hair store and pick up some stuff. I have an appointment on the 22nd to get my eye tips reinstalled. It's that season, it's silk press season, so I'm gonna try to blayage them myself. So I need to stop by the hair store and get stuff to dye the hair. Also, I'm thinking about texturizing, or probably texturizing, because that's not as harsh on my edges, because as you see they don't lay, and I don't want to be putting a boatload of gel on my hair. So we're about to go into swimming lessons. I'm not gonna film it, y'all have seen that multiple times, and I'll see y'all when I'm about to head out for errands. We are back home, and one thing about it, I'm gonna throw this robe on any chance I get, and 2 things about it, I'm gonna put my glasses on as soon as I possibly can. Fun fact, I do not like wearing contacts. I thought about getting LASIK a couple times, but I keep seeing adverse reactions to it, like people committing suicide, people having extreme dry eye, pain and whatnot. And I already feel like I had some kind of procedure my doctor convinced me to do for high pressure in my eyes that I've had my entire life. But he was so convinced that I was suspect for glaucoma, so I went ahead and did it so that I won't have to take eye drops for the rest of my life. But I feel like I have eye pain. I don't know. So yeah, it supposedly lasts, I think, 10 years, but I'm not getting it redone, nor am I getting drops, nor am I seeing that eye doctor again. I'm gonna get my regular yearly thing so I can make sure my prescription is up to date, and that is all. However, I do have some packages, as always. Where is the address information on that? This is, like I told y'all, I'm about to start bulking starting Monday. So I hope I ordered the right one. I went to buy again, so it should be the one that I always use. Yeah. I got some protein powder. The brand I use is 100% vegan. It's pea protein, I think. Yeah, this is pea protein. It's chocolate. I'm not a vanilla girly. Never have been, never will be. Reminds me too much of milk, cow's milk, and I detest it. Not only am I lactose intolerant, but if you've ever seen, I forgot, there was a Netflix documentary about like food in America. You see how cow's milk is processed, you would be turned off too. Really forgot. Oh, I have a headache and I'm tired, y'all. Also, what was in the box is this Young Nails brush-on glue that I found that the girlies are saying keeps your press-on nails on really well. So, and I hate like the dropper, I don't know. So hopefully this, I'm gonna probably brush my nail and then brush the nail and see how that works out. I don't like having the bubbles from pouring the glue. Then I got 2 plumping lip oils or lip glosses. They're basically Pure Beauty dupes. I got, I think, a clear one that turns pink. Yeah, this is color changing from clear to pink. And it has shimmer, and it's plumping. Oh, Jesus. Okay, this is pretty. Can y'all see that? Super pretty. See what it looks like. Clear to pink. So let's see what that looks like. I love the applicators like this, that shape like this. Oh, wow. That's pretty. Let's get in the light even. Wow. Do y'all see how pigmented that is? Whoa. And it looks like it's getting pinker and pinker. That's very interesting. And then let's see the other one. That's interesting. It's low-key the color of that right there. That's crazy. Wow. Okay. And then this one is a lip glow oil. Plumping lip glow oil. This is the one that's the Dior dupe. I have a couple of these. I have a one that's like kind of like this color. It's like probably, this is super pigmented. And I did not put that much on. That's crazy. This one's pink as well. Are these the same brand? No. This is Quibist, and this is Outile. And here's what it looks like. It says pink, but it looks like a peach color, and that's what I wanted. But y'all, this is pretty. So yeah, I got these two. Thinking about putting one of these in my car, but you know how you leave it. You know, if you put a lip gloss in your car, it ends up like overheating and spilling out. So I don't know. I have one in Mozzie's diaper bag, the one that's this color, but it's more sheer. I don't know how to describe it. This is pigmented. This is pretty. I have one in Mozzie's diaper bag and one in every purse that I have. But I don't always carry a purse, and I for sure don't be taking Mozzie's diaper bag. I don't take that anywhere unless I'm with them. There's that. And yeah, I had to put this claw clip down. It was not contributing in a positive way to my headache. This is, I think, the sheets to Mozzie's bed that I told you about. I have a mattress cover. I have the mattress cover, but this is the sheets by the Happy Baby Hippo. Eucalyptus crib sheets, yeah. Eucalyptus, bamboo, rayon, satin, silk. All those are good if you or your child has allergies. So I'm about to wash these and put these on his bed. And what's funny is these are darn near white, so they're gonna be dirty too. Wash in cold on gentle, lay flat or tumble on low. Remove when 80% dry and place on mattress to avoid wrinkles. I think these were $20. This was $20 for one. And then y'all know I got the foaming gel wash for the Cherry Rave Tree Hut. See if this smells any different than the scrub from was that yesterday? Thursday? Nope, still smells not that great. But this was only $5, so I'm not even gonna stress about it. I'm just use this up first and never buy it again. This has more like of a some kind of flower smell. It's not cherry at all. But that's all I have for right now. When my mom gets here, she's supposed to be here by now. When mom gets here, I'm gonna go to Walmart. I'm looking for either Roblox or Fortnite gift cards for my two nephews, and then Barbies for my niece. And then if Walmart doesn't have it, I'm gonna try Target. If Target doesn't have it, I'm gonna try, well, I'm probably gonna do Walmart, yeah, Target, and then there's a Kroger over there that I'm gonna look for oxtails again. I'm not cooking them tonight. Tonight we're having spaghetti. Tonight and tomorrow we're having spaghetti. And then Monday I'll probably cook oxtails. I'm so sorry, y'all. I'm about to go. I'm not about to keep yawning in y'all's face. I love my son, but me time is absolutely necessary. Like, I have a headache now too. Thank God my mom is here. I'm about to run some errands really quick. I have yet to take a shower and wash my hair. I'm not even gonna lie, do that tonight. After I put Mozzie to bed. Yeah, I've been drinking water because I'm thinking that might be part of the reason why my head is hurting. Cause like I told y'all, I try to drink 120 ounces of water a day. This container is 30 ounces to here. Oh, sorry. It's 30 ounces to here where my thumb is at, but I always fill it up, as you can see, all the way to the top. So that's 40 ounces. And 3 of those a day, 140 times 3 is 120. And so, yeah, I drank down to like 15 or 10 ounces, and then I refilled it up before I went out so that I could force myself to drink it while I'm running errands. But my mom wants sushi, so I'm gonna get her some sushi on my way back. I'm actually excited to wash my hair because the lady who braided it did not soak this, so my head is itching and I don't want my hair to fall out. I would usually leave these in for weeks and weeks and weeks, but I'm gonna take them out next Sunday. Is that 3 weeks? No. So I got it done Monday. This Sunday's 1 week. Next Sunday's 2 weeks. The Sunday after next, I'll probably take them out. I would like to keep them in for 3 weeks. It depends on how they look next week, because since I washed it and got all that gel and stuff out of it, it's already fuzzy. I don't know if y'all can see that. And so yeah, I'm about to, my mom gave me a good idea for I'm looking for Fortnite gift card. So I'm gonna try GameStop first and then Walmart. I have to go to Walmart anyway to get Barbie dolls. I hate South Carolina drivers. Oh my gosh. Let me get off real quick so I can drive with, I'm working on my road rage, but it's really, really hard living in South Carolina with these people. And y'all, that lip gloss is actually a stain because the actual gloss has dried off and it stained my lips. I just put a clear gloss on top of this. I wish I had earrings in. Y'all, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. But they only have, oh, okay. Should I get this one or this one? I think I'm gonna get this. And it comes with the card holder. Alright. I want to do a quick haul what I got out of Walmart. I said I wasn't buying Mozzie anything, but I got this. It's a reusable water car themed coloring book for my niece. Got Black Barbie Magic with three outfits and shoes to go with it. And then I got card for each of my nephews. So Monday I'm gonna go to the post office because I'm not going today, to mail off my nephew that lives in Colorado's card with his Roblox gift card in there. And then I got a cute little unicorn gift bag for my niece. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there. I already have tissue paper at home, so I'm gonna drop that off along with the card with the gift card in it to my brother on Monday when I pick Mozzie up. They live in Lugolf. So I'm gonna just do the gift card in here and then put the card inside that. I do need to sign it. And then my nephew, I'm gonna go ahead and scan my receipts for Fetch Rewards. I'm gonna leave my nephew, I'm gonna leave all this stuff in here except my receipts, and I'm holding on to my receipt from GameStop because I just always have trust issues when it comes to gift cards. I would hate for my nephews not to be able to use them. So I'm gonna keep the receipt in case anything weird, any weird activity tries to go on. And I'm gonna go to, I got sushi for my mom, and then I'm gonna go to Panda and get I would go to Panda and get some meats. I'm gonna go to Panda and get some meats to go with some fried rice I got for us for dinner. I ate Rasta pasta for lunch. Mozzie had pasta as well. Yeah, so I'm about to head there. I guess y'all could come with me to Panda to see what I get. I'm really trying to decide, should I wait? I think what I'm gonna do is, since I placed a pickup order for the sushi for my mom and the rice, I think I'm gonna pull up there and sit and try to edit real quick for 10 minutes and then go through the drive-thru at Panda. I'm trying to see, I wanna go the other way. I'm about to get off with y'all because y'all know how these people in South Carolina drive.
Uh-oh, where's the little bee? Amazing. Where's the little D?
That's a B, not a D.
Which one? There you go. Yeah, he was. Where's the big D over here? You're done?
I don't know if y'all can tell, but I am in the bed. Shower has been taken. Braids washed. Skincare done. And I'm rubbing my feet together. And so tomorrow we are taking Mozzie to a Hot Wheels car show at the Colonial Life Arena. Y'all, I always get on here yawning. I'm so sorry. But yeah, I'm going to bed. Good night. Good morning. It's Sunday, October 27th. We had an awesome word today at church. We had a guest speaker that he basically taught us how to defend the word, the Bible, by using scripture. 4 ways are internal consistency, historical accuracy, scientific accuracy, and prophetic accuracy. And a lot of people who are non-believers try to say that the Bible is not true. It doesn't withstand scientific scrutiny. And basically, he started the lesson by asking us why we believe the Bible. And a lot of Christians say, because I'm a Christian. And then, so he goes to say, why are you a Christian? Or how do you know the Bible is true? And the answer is, because I'm a Christian, and that's what Christians believe. But he was saying that people who have no desire or background of knowing scripture, knowing God at all, saying that you believe that the Bible is true and it's God's words is not enough. And so he provided pocket guides for basically a summary of what he writes in one of his books. And the first one is internal consistency. It says the Bible was written about 40 different blah 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 blah. The Bible was written by about 40 different human authors having greatly varied backgrounds: fishermen, doctors, tent makers, etc., living and writing on 3 different continents in 3 different languages over a period of 1600 years, discussing hundreds of controversial topics, yet they are all in complete agreement. Basically, a lot of people like to say, oh, the Bible was written by man and it was written to basically have social order. But there are, like this paper says, 40 different authors, yet the Bible is the same and consistent throughout. How is that possible if it wasn't God being the author and providing those human authors with the words from his own mouth? Historical accuracy. The Bible mentions the Hittites, but the Bible mentions the Hittites, but skeptics scoffed, claiming they never existed. However, their existence has been confirmed by John Garstang, and it proven to be one of the greatest finds in the history of archaeology. In addition to confirming the biblical narrative, we have much greater understanding not only of the history of our language, but of the religious, social, and political practices of the ancient Middle East. Scientific accuracy. Over 2,000 years before the discovery of bacteria and germ theory, the Bible prescribed what should happen if someone touches a dead body. This is in Numbers chapter 19, 6 through 12. The person was to wash in the water purification, which consists of cedar wood, heifer's ashes, scarlet wool, and hyssop. Modern science has discovered that cedar wood and heifer ashes combine to produce lye, which is soap. The hyssop plant can be converted into thymol, which is isopropyl alcohol that kills bacteria. The scarlet wool acts as an abrasive agent, aiding in the cleaning process. Bacteria thrive in a damp environment, so waiting a few days to dry out, applying and repeating, as the scripture mentions, turns out to be extremely effective, which those people in that time had no current medical or scientific research to suggest that they would have known that what was written in scripture by Moses would be something that they could use to prevent diseases. That means that God gave them wisdom before time of now, which we have hand sanitizer and antibiotics. That's just one example. The prophetic accuracy is, while both Jerusalem and the temple were standing strong, the prophet Isaiah foretold of their rebuilding in Isaiah 44:28 and Isaiah 54 verse 1. He even mentions the Persian king Cyrus by name 150 years in advance. Cyrus would be the one to allow the exiled Israelites to go without asking for any ransom money, which is contrary to common practice, and would also issue the decree for rebuilding of Jerusalem and the temple. 20% of the Bible is prophetic. If you all want any more information on how to defend the Bible to unbelievers and to skeptics, you can visit thestartingpointproject.com. And I am going to hold on to this and present this to the people that are in my life that are struggling with the idea of the Bible and God's existence and God's role in the writing of the Bible. And I'm just in awe at how God has allowed me to be aligned with people that are pushing me to have a spiritual growth. And I'm excited about the future, and I look forward to discipling and being a instrument to glorify God in every way that I can. I just want my life to be a true example of God's love, God's forgiveness, God's grace. And may peace that surpasses all understanding surround me and you. I love you guys so much. We're supposed to be taking Mozzie to the Hot Wheels show today, so I'm either gonna go in there. Y'all, I always want Chick-fil-A on Sundays when they're closed, but I'm gonna go inside and see if Mozzie's taking a nap, which he probably isn't, and feed him a little bit of lunch because the show starts at 2:30. I want to be leaving out the house, at 1:45. So we can get downtown and park and find our seats and stuff. I don't want to be late. I'm gonna film that, and then we're gonna end this weekend's vlog. So I'll see you guys later. Are you gonna catch up?
Absolutely. I know you give it your all every single time. Hot Wheels fans, give it
back home. We're back home. It's like 9:30. Mozzie's been in bed since 7. We took him to the park after the monster show. And then when we got home, he got a bath and he went to bed. I obviously did my nighttime grocery shopping like I do every Sunday, but since y'all have seen plenty of grocery hauls, I will spare you. But I did want to say thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.